The Contacts tab is your central phone book, where all your contacts are organized into categories. Let's open it now. You'll see sub-tabs across the top for each phone book assigned to you, with the number of contacts in each one. In this example, we have customers, vendors, emergency contacts, and CRM contacts. The Customers tab opens first automatically and shows all your customer contacts in a clean table. Each row displays the contact's name, company, phone number, email, and action buttons. Phone numbers are clickable. You can dial any contact directly from right here. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find a contact. Just type a name, company, phone number, or email address and click Search. The results update instantly to show only matching contacts, which is especially helpful in larger phone books. Every phone number in the table is a one-click action. Click the number itself to dial it through your soft phone. The speech bubble icon next to each number lets you start an SMS conversation with that contact. It opens the Messages tab with a new thread ready to go. For phone books, you can edit. Each contact row has edit and delete buttons in the Actions column. Click Edit to update any of the contact's details, or Delete to remove them. You'll always get a confirmation prompt before anything is permanently deleted. Switch between phone book categories using the tabs at the top. Vendors holds your supplier and partner contacts. Emergency contacts keeps critical numbers in one place. And CRM contacts are automatically synced from your connected CRM system. These update on their own, so they're always current. To add a new contact, click the Add button at the top of any editable phone book. Fill in the contact form with a name, company, phone numbers, email, and any notes. Then click Add to save. Your new contact appears immediately in the list. That's your phone book. Browse contacts by category, search for anyone instantly, call or text with one click, and add new entries whenever you need to. It's all right here in your Contacts tab.